Hey, what's up guys? Today I have my hands on these two cameras, and before I return one of them, I want to share this experience with you and give you the reasons why you should go with this one here. So these are two cameras or two camcorders from Canon. They are same model but two different generations. Here we have the Canon VIXIA HF G50, and on the other end we have the Canon VIXIA HF G70. And I'm going to give you the reasons why, even though these are very similar, you should go with the G70 if you're looking for a new camera. But if you're buying an old camera, maybe the G50 at a good price can be a good option. So let's go in depth and compare these two here. First of all, I'll say that these are 98% the same, but the 2% will make a big difference between the G70 and the G50. Physically, they are very close except some minor differences, like the two screws that we can see on the G70. We don't have those on the G50. The G50 also has this mini advanced shoe that is not present on the G70. I guess it was not so important. The screens are also different because we have very low resolution on the G50. I like the resolution on the G70, high resolution, beautiful image. Another difference is the charger or the power adapter. On the G50 we have this old type of connector, but the G70 has the USB-C chargers, so you can use the same charger for your phone or your MacBook or whatever device you have that support USB-C. And talking about connectors, on the G50 the USB type is mini A, so it's really old, but when you look at the G70, it has a USB-C as a connector, and this is a big deal because with the USB-C you don't only have the connection to your computer, but you can also stream the footage directly from this camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like later on. Talking about the image, this is side by side the G70 and the G50. I didn't do any kind of processing on the footage, I just put both of them on auto, and this is what the image looks like. And I like the image of the G70 better, and it looks much clearer and sharper compared to the G50. The G50 was released in April 2019 and the G70 was released in October 2022. So it's still kind of new in the market compared to this one that is 3 years old. So let's talk about the streaming. When I connect the G50 to my MacBook, I have to use the HDMI out and have a video capture card so I can input this footage in my computer. But with the G70, I go directly from the USB port on the camera to the USB port on my MacBook, and the image is way better, as you can see here. In terms of price, the G50 goes on Amazon for $1,099, which is $1,100, and the G70 goes for $1,250. So there's only $150 difference between these two. For all those reasons, mostly for the USB side of things, I advise you to just go with the G70 if you're buying a new camera. But right now, a lot of G50s are available online at the lower prices, so if you want to go for a used one, that's also a great deal. Even though a lot of people today are going toward DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, camcorders are still there. They are still relevant because of some features that they have. Most DSLRs have limit in the recording, but these can record for hours, and you actually have 2 slots for SD cards, so you can record for as long as you want. I'm going to definitely keep the G70 and return the G50. If you like the video, like it on YouTube and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my future videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much and take care.